Cambridge suggests that you need to memorize the cube of 1 to 10 and their corresponding cubic roots. So let's learn them. 1 cube equal to 1, 2 cube equal to 8, 3 cube equal to 27, 4 cube equal to 64, 5 cube equal to 125, 6 cube equal to 216, 7 cube equal to 343, 8 cube equal to 512, 9 cube equal to 729 and 10 cube equal to 1000. And cubic root is the exact reverse operation of cube. So in case of cubic root, we will write cubic root of 1 equal to 1, cubic root of 8 equal to 2, cubic root of 27 equal to 3, cubic root of 64 equal to 4, cubic root of 125 equal to 5, cubic root of 216 equal to 6, cubic root of 343 equal to 7, cubic root of 512 equal to 8, cubic root of 729 equal to 9 and cubic root of 1000 is 10. So I suggest you to memorize all these values.